Telebuzz always keeps their fans happy, and thus we're back with some latest updates of your very own favorite shows and celebrities. We're here to give you some latest dope on the most interesting contestant and runner-up of Bigg Boss Season 6, Alag Che. Yes, the very entertaining Imam Siddiqui. He's one guy who has a lot of big plans up his sleeve. Imam is all set to make a silent film on the life of a Bollywood superstar. Yes, you heard that right. After coming out of the Bigg Boss house, Imam Siddiqui is busy working on a film project. Apart from acting in a comedy show, the fashion stylist will be making a silent film titled Bhagwan of Bollywood. According to Imam, the film will be a true story based on the life of a Bollywood superstar. Furthermore, he said, it will highlight the social responsibility that every artist has. I have decided not to use any language in the film so that people from all parts of the globe can understand it. It'll be a silent film with great visual effects. Well, he hasn't still decided on which actor to cast for the film. Apart from this, he's also planning to produce a talent-based reality show, Big Bollywood, which will feature artists from various fields, from choreographers, musicians to writers, makeup artists and stylists. He says it'll be on the lines of Bigg Boss. We would definitely want to see this silent film and how well it's made. What say, guys? If y'all agree, then surely like this video. And on which superstar should the film be based? And which actor should he rope in? Leave your comments and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to Telebuzz for more updates.